Hello everyone, AP from OG. Welcome to our step-by-step installation video for our adjustable brake arm for 18 plus Softail. Today we will be working on our Shop 2023 FXLR ST. Before you begin, I highly advise getting the shop manual of your bike for detailed instruction. Start by removing the right foot peg assembly. Use a T27 Torx and a 3/16 socket bit to remove the OEM pivot and brake linkage. Keep all OEM hardware for later use. Now remove the OEM brake arm assembly. Using a 3/16 socket bit, detach the brake linkage from the OEM brake pedal. Apply a dab of blue Loctite to the treads, then install the OEM brake linkage onto the OG pivot. Torque the bolt to 15 foot-pounds. Slide the OG pivot onto the shaft and reconnect the linkage to the master cylinder. Apply some blue Loctite to the thread and torque to 15 foot-pounds. Install the shifter peg or brake pedal gripper and torque the bolt just enough to allow rotation for adjusting it to your preferred riding position. For this bike, I chose the OG Mini Gripper Peg. Remove the pinch bolt from your OG brake arm and slide it onto the pivot. Leave all bolts loose for now. Temporarily reinstall the foot peg. At this stage, do not reinstall the spring or C-clip. Adjust the arm to your preferred angle and length. You can rotate it on the pivot and slide the brake arm back and forth. Remove the foot peg assembly, apply blue Loctite to all brake arm bolts and torque them to 100 foot-pounds. Apply a dab of blue Loctite on the Torx bolt, holding the pivot on the shaft. Torque it to 10 foot-pounds. Torque the brake shifter peg or brake pedal gripper. Use blue Loctite and torque it to 180 inch-pound. Now reinstall the foot peg permanently using the OEM spring, pin and C-clip. Make sure that your adjustable brake arm moves freely and do not interfere with any other parts. That's it! Your new brake arm is installed and ready to go. Don't forget to test your new brake arm at low speed before your next ride. If you have any question regarding this installation, feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.